Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for tomorrow. And to all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and to stay tuned in towards the second half of the video, guys. Right after this chart analysis, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys you won't want to miss, and you definitely want to have on your watch list moving forward. We're going to talk about an option opportunity looking into next week, and I'm going to share with you guys the ticker symbols I mentioned this morning over at the Discord, how they performed. And if that's something that interests you, we went 3 for 3. You're more than welcome to join us. The link to the Discord is down below, and we look forward to having you join us. So, SENS Stock, Sensonics Holdings Inc. I was waiting for this to actually consolidate, or at least give us some more information throughout the week, to then make a video starting Monday. And all of a sudden, I look at this chart, and here we are, hitting a high yesterday of 219, hitting a recent high of 223, and now we're pulling back again. This couldn't hold itself above $2. Now, Monday is vital for this stock to see if this is going into further weakness. Is this going to bounce back and kind of consolidate within this area and kind of stay above in these areas, or is this going to go into further weakness? That's the big question right now. This really needs to stay above $2 for this to have any type of strength to continue to move forward to newer highs. So let's look at the 50-day moving average. The 50-day moving average is 210. Anything below it is bearish. Anything above it is bullish. Now our support level here is 199. If that gets broken through, which is the recent low here that we saw as well in this run and pullback, if that gets broken through, this could be on its way down to newer lows. And the next support level would be down here at this point of 187. We want to watch and see if the bulls are trying to reappear and bring it back up, or if the bears are tearing this one down fairly fast. Super important to watch moving forward. Now, our resistance level is right here at 208, and just because that gets broken through, that does not signify or guarantee that the bulls are getting anywhere closer to the 50-day moving average or back into bullish territory. That is just a stepping stone to let us know where the momentum is going, if the bulls are able to cross it and turn it into a support, but it does not guarantee the bulls are going to maintain control. Super important to watch moving forward. We're going to have to see how things play out, but if that gets broken through and the bulls can break through 210, their next resistance level is up here at 213 for them to reach newer highs and new resistance levels. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post, and stay tuned in. All I ask for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time to go ahead and discuss the ticker symbols I mentioned this morning, as well as the ticker symbol you won't want to miss and you want to add to your watch list and know what options to watch going into next week. Stay tuned. Ticker symbol I have for you guys today is one that I mentioned 2 weeks ago. I emphasized it twice in the same week, and since then it's given us 20% plus to the upside. And now, based off the charts, I'm looking at an option opportunity, and I'm going to be watching it very closely going into next week. We're going to discuss that in just a moment. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the opportunities that were mentioned today over at the Discord. And if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us, and we look forward to having you join us. So we talked about MEDX, ONTX, and ENVB. MEDX was our least performer, giving us 5 to 8% on the day, and ONTX and ENVB gave us 10% plus. So let's go ahead and see here how they reacted. So ENVB, we caught it at 277, and it gave us a high of 15% plus, guys, right there, right off the bat in just a few minutes. Now ONTX, I did talk about how it could collapse, and I was watching it very cautiously, but as soon as I saw a bottom or opportunity, I would put my 5% stop loss or limit loss order, whichever one you want to refer to or use, and then I went ahead, I put it, and I rode this one back up, and I got myself a nice 8% opportunity, right? I didn't ride it the whole 10% because it just works out that way. You don't always catch the full ride, but it gave us a 10% plus opportunity after that dip and running back up. Now, I want to share with you guys some feedback, and I really appreciate this investor, this Patreon member and subscriber and viewer for taking the time to say these kind words. And this is very true, And what I love the most were the keywords that I'm about to read. So, as always, invest for tomorrow. Your content is educational, and love how you invest your time to help anyone willing to learn. Those are the keywords right there. I invest my time to help anyone willing to learn. If you're willing to learn, by joining the Discord, you are going to have so much information at the Patreon through every single post, on the Discord through every single message and comment, and everyone in the community. You're going to learn so much because there's going to be so much tools, resources, and information that over time you will start to grasp some of it and turn it into your own strategy, right? That's the goal and purpose. Now, I try to do that not just in the Discord and Patreon. I do it one video at a time here on the YouTube every single day. My goal is to help investors learn and grow, one post at a time on the Patreon, and one message and comment at a time on the Discord, guys. So I do that consistently. That is my goal. And if you're willing to learn, my videos will have you understand something new and change perspective, or add something onto your already working strategy and sharpening it to a whole new level, right? That's my goal every single time. So the option contract that I'm watching very carefully in the ticker symbol is Ford, ticker symbol F. And we talked about this one 2 weeks ago when it started to pull down because of earnings. And since then, it had been running up, giving 5 to 10% opportunities along the way. But most recently, in the last several weeks, it has taken off from right around this area at 1135 all the way up to 1340s, right? Now, in the 1340s and anything a little bit above that is getting really close to the 52-week high. Now, that could be broken through with all the hype and excitement going on with Ford right now, but the indicators and technicals are showing a need for a cool off, not an unhealthy one. If anything, it's probably a healthy one, but a cool off just based off the technicals, and I'm looking at it for an opportunity of a put option. So the put option that I'm watching is strike price 12.5. It's currently at 0.10, and volume today was pretty high at 15,000. Open interest is 5,000 and some change. It expires on May 28th. So it expires next week. So this is very risky. This is very important to understand options. If you don't know options, just watch it and learn from it. And if you do your due diligence and do a rational decision based off of what you see on the charts and your research is telling you. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.